Hey guys! So if you follow me on Facebook, you know that I've been working on a STEM challenge for you. This one goes along with the tooth book. Now I've been posting pictures and updates on this STEM challenge on my Facebook page. So if you haven't checked that out, you definitely should. It's called My Bookshelf to Yours. It's mostly for parents to see what STEM activities they can do with you at home to supplement the read alouds that I post. So they go hand in hand. Okay, so this one is the egg challenge, and I've put an egg inside 4 different liquids. So let's check out how that has gone. Okay guys, so what you do for this challenge is you take 4 eggs or however many you have to spare, and I know that right now eggs are in high demand, so it's going to be kind of tough to get a hold of them. That's why I did this for you. I had a few extras, so I thought I could do this STEM challenge for you. You can see it, and then whenever you get the chance to get some eggs, you can try it too. These are the 4 drinks that I had on hand to try with. The original challenge I think was supposed to be orange juice and regular soda, like Coke or Pepsi, and then Gatorade and a couple other dark flavored drinks. But I didn't have any of those, so I had pineapple juice, diet soda, water, and coffee. So I tried all 4 of those, and let's see how it started. Okay, so when it started, all the eggs were white. Then after a few hours, I came back and took some pictures. Let's check out what those looked like. So in that update, you could tell that the eggs that were in the brown drinks had soaked up some of that brown color. The egg in the pineapple juice started to get a little bit slimy and started to feel a little bit goopy on the outside. I think it might be from the sugar, like when you eat sugar and it's on your teeth. So let's see what happens after a few more hours. Okay, now time for the final update. It has been 24 hours. So these eggs have been in these liquids for 24 hours straight, and we're gonna see what happened to them and how their shells are doing at this point. Okay, so 24-hour update. You can kind of see how this egg is kind of goopy. Okay, so you can see where I've been picking it up. Some of the goop has rubbed off when I pick it up for the updates. But you can see that this part right here is so slimy looking. Okay, so we're gonna put that down. Next one, the diet soda. Now, diet soda is my favorite. If you know me, you know I love to drink Diet Coke. But I am always sure to brush my teeth after because this is nasty. Look at this, guys. Okay. So, the egg cracked. It made the shell so brittle that it cracked. Then some of the, not the yolk, some of the white part of the egg started to come out. That is insane, and it's stained at the bottom. So, oh, it looks like it might crack there too. Great. This egg should be pretty much exactly how it started. Although I would not eat this egg because it's been out of the fridge. Okay, and then coffee. This egg actually looks like we dyed it for Easter. It's got a little bit of a slime, but not at all like the pineapple egg. So, it's just brown. This is the outcome. So really, look at how important it is to brush your teeth. Look at that. So slimy from all that sugar buildup. And this one is just insane. I wonder what happens if the soda is just regular, not diet. I wonder if it does that same thing. We might have to try that out. That was insane. So next, I'm really curious what happens if you brush these eggs with a toothbrush. I have a cleaning toothbrush here. It's not the toothbrush I use on my teeth. It's one that I use to clean things. So I'm gonna rinse it off, make sure there's no cleaner, and we're gonna clean these eggs and see what happens. Okay, here we go. So I'm starting with the pineapple juice egg. And I'm not gonna brush the whole thing. I think I'm just gonna brush half of it and see what happens. That way we can compare. Okay, you can definitely see a difference. Check that out. You can see the exact line where I finished brushing. So even the spots that weren't goopy because I was picking it up there, you can still see that there's different colors and that it's not clean. But this part down here is much cleaner, so that is crazy. Let's do the next one. Okay, so this diet soda one might be a little bit tricky. I'm just dipping this in the water to rinse off all the pineapple juice. Okay, so this one might be a little tricky because I don't want to crack the egg by accident any more than it already is. So, oh, see, I just cracked it more. It is so important to brush your teeth, especially when you drink soda. When you drink soda, you have to be sure to brush your teeth so well. And even better, you can brush it right after you drink soda. That way, it doesn't have a chance to sit. Oh! And it broke. It made this shell so brittle and so easy to crack that it cracked while I brushed it, and I wasn't even squeezing it. You can see though, where I was brushing, it did start to get a little bit better. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. You can see it is a little bit lighter and cleaner right here where I was brushing, but we didn't even get a chance to finish. So I'm gonna clean this up and we'll check the next one. Okay, we are back. Now, this one that was in the water, I'm not even gonna brush it because there is nothing on it. Then the coffee one, let me get my toothbrush wet. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now on the camera it's a little hard to tell, but you can see the difference where I brushed over here on the left underneath where my thumb is, and then on the right. Okay, this part is not brushed, but this part is, okay? Now it's a little better, but it's still not as white. The way we want our eggs and our teeth to look are like this. Even if you brush your teeth after waiting, it still could turn them brown. So you want to be sure to brush right after drinking drinks that are not water. Okay, does this mean that your teeth are going to break if you drink soda? No. Does this mean that your teeth are going to turn brown and can never turn white again? No. Does this mean that your teeth will get a gooey slime on it that you'll have to scrub off and it still might not come off all the way? No. It just means that when you drink things that are sugary or that are not water, you need to be sure to brush your teeth as soon as you can to keep them clean, not to let them build up that sugar on the top and to not let them get stained. So I hope you liked this STEM challenge. I hope it inspires you to try it with your own drinks that you have at home. Check me out on Facebook and listen to this YouTube read aloud that goes along with this challenge. Thanks again from my bookshelf to yours.